Hi there, welcome to another video, and in this video will just be like a quick case study on how to actually make money with this method, and how I actually make money with this method, and how other people are making huge amount of money with this method. So this is my latest channel, the latest channel that I made in less than 2 months ago. I think it's around like 50 days ago, and as you can see, I have 50,000. Currently I have 50,000 subscribers, and I have gained over 40,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. So in the first month I gained maybe 7 or 8,000 subscribers, and then in this month it exploded and I gained over 42,000 subscribers. So that means I'm getting literally over 1,000 subscribers per day every single day, and it keeps growing. And for how much I can actually sell this channel? Well, since as you can see it's not monetized, there is no the revenue tab, so it's not monetized, so I can sell it for way less. If it was monetized, I could sell it for a lot more, but I will probably never be able to get so many subscribers if I went for monetization. So if you actually go to the social media, this is literally the biggest social media accounts marketplace, and I'm gonna show you how to use it in some of the next modules. But as you can see, people are selling their channels for like a few $1,000s depending on whether they're monetized or not. So this 50,000 subscribers channel, which is not monetized, I can sell it and for anywhere from $2,000 up to $5,000, but if it was monetized, I could easily sell it for at least $10,000. So I can just list it on this website right here. As you can see, this guy is selling his 700,000 subscribers channel for $200,000. This guy is selling it for $12,000, $1,500, $5,000, $9,000, and so on and so forth. And then I'm going to show you in some of the next lectures how you can actually replicate this. I'm going to show you literally every step, every trick that I use to get so many subscribers quickly on both my main channel, the Online Hustle, and both on all of these channels that I'm currently selling, and it literally takes me like less than an hour per day to build those channels. So in less than an hour per day I build a 50,000 subscribers channel in less than 2 months, and now I can sell it for anywhere from $2,000 up to $5,000. And if you have even more time, you know, and you're ready to sacrifice a little bit more time and effort, you can literally build like three of these channels in like 2 months, and then sell them for like $5,000 and make 15K on like working like 3 hours per day for 2 months, and then sell it and make like 15K in profits. And I'm going to show you how you can actually invest in this. If you have some money, you can actually invest and get even better results than this in a shorter period of time. So definitely it's gonna be an amazing course. It's gonna be life-changing, so definitely be sure to stay tuned, and let's jump into the first module.